Does your video look flat and lack that dramatic cinematic focus in the center? Do not worry. In this CapCut tutorial for beginners, you will learn how to add a vignette effect in CapCut Mobile to make your videos look clean and professional. First, open your video project and tap on your video clip on the timeline to select it. Now, scroll the bottom toolbar to the right and tap on the Adjust icon. Scroll through the adjustment tools and tap on Vignette. Simply drag the slider to the right, stop around 20 or 30% to gently darken the edges of your screen. Here's a secret pro tip for high-quality CapCut video editing. Tap on Highlights in the same menu and boost it slightly. This makes your center subject pop out perfectly against the dark edges. Now, tap on the check mark and press play to review your smooth, cinematic video. To continue learning from our full CapCut Mobile course, check the description box below.